Hey, what's up, StormX holders? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special because I told you the prediction of StormX. I told you the next target of StormX. I also share my opinion, and this video today going to sell, hold, or buy. Everything is this video very important, my friend, and this is just 2 minute video. Please kindly keep watch because this video give you very good information, and subscribe our YouTube channel before I get started because if you subscribe our YouTube channel, this channel provide you very latest news and updates of all cryptocurrency. So hope you subscribe our YouTube channel, my friend. And the last previous 2 weeks and the first 2 weeks, they are going very badly, falls down. Everybody knows StormX and for Bitcoin, especially Bitcoin and StormX, these two cryptocurrencies very badly falls down, my friend, especially very badly. You can see here in the last 3 days they change occur minus 17.3% US dollar, 3% they gone down. Very bad falls, my friend. You can see here this time the price is also decrease. Now you can see here if we draw as the prediction line. First of all, I do a prediction, my friend. So here the circulation, you can see here every cryptocurrency I you can see here this time, you can see here they can hit it after a very fails, after a very bad fall, half target. This time you can see 0.072 US dollar they can hit it, my friend. 0 point something 0.074 US dollar, but they can hit it this point. But after this point they very badly falls down, my friend, and no jump again, no jump the first line, no touch the first line, you can see here. But I hope after a fails they take a very high jump. So I hope in upcoming days, starting day, I hope they going up in upcoming days. My expectation is very good from StormX, but I can't believe this. How is it possible today starting but they moving very badly, falls down? I can't believe this, but I hope in upcoming days they're moving up. What's my opinion, my friend? I told you, you can see here, after a very bad falls, you can see here this is also in the last 1 hour they very badly falls down, you can see here. But after this fall they take a very small jump, my friends. They take a very small jump, only minus 1.4% they falls down, my friend. I hope in upcoming days they're moving up, they give you a very good price. But this time you can see here the price is decreased very fastly, but I have very good expectation from that to they can go up in upcoming days. Also, thanks for watching. Please, my friends, don't sell it. I hope if you sell it at this point, then you are in the loss exactly. But you just wait for a good time. I hope the price is again exchange and they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching, StormX. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Keep touch with us. I guide you every time. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.